Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beetroot and walnut empanadas. I do hope things are going better for you than they are for me, because at the moment, if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. But there's no point moaning about it. Let's make some empanadas. Okay, the first thing we do is top and tail the carrot, core the apple and peel the beetroot. The filling for these empanadas is very close to our beetroot and apple burger recipe, but we'll do it again anyway. Then when the beetroot, apple and carrot are ready, put them through a grater. When this is done, add a tablespoonful of oil to a suitable sized pan, add the apple, carrot and beetroot mixture and fry off for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add salt and pepper to taste, followed by the balsamic vinegar and honey. I thought empanadas were small meat pasties, but apparently empanada means wrapped in pastry, so I guess these fit the brief. Then you add the walnuts, mix in, remove from the heat and allow it to cool completely. Then it's time to assemble the empanadas. And to do this, roll out the sheet of ready-made puff pastry and cut out 6 to 8 circles. Then put a generous amount of the filling on each circle. And using your hand, rub some water around the edge of the pastry so they seal better and fold up like you see here. Just for the record, we didn't waste the leftover pastry, we rolled it back out and made a couple more off camera. I'll move the camera in so you can see my wife's ninja skills when it comes to pastry. As I've said before, my wife's skill and lightness of touch when it comes to pastry was a gift from the angels. Mind you, where she got a foul temper from remains more of a mystery. But I can forgive her foul temper because these empanadas are a work of art. Then lay the empanadas on a sheet of greaseproof paper and brush over melted butter. Obviously, if you're making these for a vegan, use vegan-friendly butter. Anyway, when the pastries are brushed with the butter of your choice, it's off to 180°C oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And when the time's up and the pastry is nice and golden brown, you're ready to serve. We do hope you enjoy this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.